I'm Dr. John Tomasoff. I'm here today again with Dr. Thomas Siaw. And Dr. Siaw has had quite the adventure of coming from China to the United States, and from there, again, getting your schooling and going into med school. So why don't you give us a little history on that whole process of how you became a doctor?
Yes. You know why in China, when my father wrote to us, he always mentioned about Walla Walla College. So at a young age, in my mind, the only university or college in the United States is Walla Walla. So when I graduated from high school in San Francisco, I immediately went up to Walla Walla, Washington, to start my pre-medical training. And I always wanted to take medicine. And after graduated from college, I was drafted, by the way, into U.S. Army. So I was drafted into, I spent two years in the service in the Army. Most of the 2 years was served in Germany. And then when, upon my return, I wanted to take medicine, but it's very difficult to get into medical school. Costly for one thing, and also competition are very keen. So in the meantime, I decided perhaps I'll take, I went to seminary at Andrews University in Michigan. I spent 2 years there, studying to be a minister. And so after 2 years, 3 years seminary, I returned to San Francisco, and there I I went into teaching. A friend of mine told me that since I have my college degree, I can go into teaching. So I went I taught high school for 1 year in Northern California, Northern San Francisco for 1 year. And during that time, my younger brother, Caleb, he's OBGYN, he went to school, medical school, in Guadalajara. So every time he came back for summer vacation or Christmas vacation, we get together, we talked, and it's just sort of stimulated my desire. So I told him, please give me the application. So I applied for the medical school. So I was able to attend the medical school in 1967. Went to school in 67. And then, upon the graduation in 1972, I went to Canada. Went to Canada to do my internship. A Canadian hospital, did my internship there for 1 year, and then returned to San Diego area. So that's where I started in 1973. So that's that part of my life.
Quite the adventure, just getting into medical school for you.
Yes.
The next series we are going to be talking about, Dr. Siaw goes to Germany and then returns back to the United States.